how to change video quality in Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your video quality in your Google Meet. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Google Meet and then you need to go to the drop down that is like the upward arrow that this will take you to video settings, and then you need to go to the gear icon in the right side and then tap on send resolution. So you can set it to auto, high definition, standard definition, or low definition. Similarly, you can even change the receive resolution and choose the one of your choice. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.